Hello everyone, welcome to the Dubai's channel. Again, I am here with a new topic, is Amoebiasis. Amoebiasis. Amoebiasis, it is a disease caused by single cell parasite called as Entamoeba histolytica. It's a very lethal disease. It's a potentially lethal disease. Most common infection of a human gastrointestinal tract. It was first discovered by LOSCH in 1873 in Russia. Here, while discovering this amoebiasis disease, he said that there is the same systematic position as a amoeba proteus, means another amoeba having a same systemic position like a Entamoeba histolytica. Now we are going to talk about causal organism. Here, this Entamoeba histolytica, which cause amoebiasis, was discovered by Lambe in 1859. It's a enteric protozoan parasite, or we can also call it as a monozentic and the monogenetic. It is this Entamoeba histolytica. The species of Entamoeba like Entamoeba hartmanni, E. coli, and E. disper. This species of Entamoeba like Entamoeba hartmanni, E. coli, and disper, they does not cause any type of infection or a disease, but their trophozoites. Now, what is trophozoite? Trophozoite is a invasive or active form of parasites. So, the trophozoite of this Entamoeba hartmanni, Entamoeba E. coli, and Entamoeba disper, their trophozoites are not able to distinguish from Entamoeba histolytica. if we will see under the light microscope, we cannot able to distinguish between their trophozoites and the Entamoeba histolytica. Now this Entamoeba histolytica shows 3 stages in their life cycle. First one is a cyst, second is precyst, and third one is a trophozoites. Now we will discuss about each and every one. Here, this cyst, it's one of the infectious form. And this was covered by thick chitinous wall, and the diameter, the size of the cyst will be a 10 to 15 micrometer in a diameter, and they are having a spherical shape also. We should know the shape of these 3, then only we can distinguish that which is having which type of shapes, and which is more infectious, and which is in active form, or which is an inactive form. So this is having a spherical, and they are uninucleate, and after multiplication they will be a binucleate, and quadrinucleate also. Now we will talk about the precyst. Precyst is a intermediate form, and in this there is no more food vacuoles. But the trophozoites, this is a invasive and active form of a parasite. While talking about their cytoplasm consists of a 3 layer. First layer is a outer clear endoplasm, and second layer is a inner granular this is a ectoplasm, and this is a endoplasm, and the last one is a food vacuoles with consisting of RBCs and leukocytes along with the tissue debris. And this is motile. This trophozoites is a motile also, just because of a pseudopodia, motile by a pseudopodia extension. And the shapes of a trophozoites are pleomorphic shape, and they are uninucleated. If we'll talk about the trophozoites nucleus, which with central chromosomes and surrounded by delicate membrane which are lined with the chromatin granules, and this is the form every time this stage will seen under the host cell, but cyst will be out. We can get the information that cyst will be an cyst will be a outer side, we can see. Now we will talk about the mode of a transmission. Mode of a transmission is a fecal-oral route. Means when a person will have any contaminated water or a food which maybe contain more quadrinucleated cyst, means as I said that cyst is a very infectious form, and if a person will eat or drink a contaminated water or a food, they may get this amoebiasis, or also direct hand. If a person will not wash their hand and they have a food directly, in their nails, cyst will be there in their nails, cyst under the finger nails. And if we will not wash the vegetables that may contain during the cultivation of that vegetable, maybe the farmers or any other people will use they will irrigate the vegetables with the sewage polluted water that may contain a cyst. So we can get the cyst from the vegetable irrigated with sewage polluted water. Or the food which are came in the contact of flies, cockroach and the rats, etc. This may also can cause a contamination to that food, and they are the one of the agents that will bring cyst to the food, and they will contaminate the food. And another way is the sexual contact via oral rectal route. These are the mode of a transmission. From there, the cyst will reach to our food, and that may cause a amoebiasis to a human being. Now we will talk the incubation period. Incubation period is mostly from 4 to 5 days. 4 to 5 days.